How to edit your personal information in Horde. This tutorial assumes you've already logged in to Horde webmail. Now let's learn how to edit our personal information. Click the options icon here. Click the personal information link. Enter the identity name here. Enter your full name here. Then enter your email address here. Click Save Options. That's it! Your personal information has now been edited. You can return here at any time to update your personal information. You can see the full name we entered shows here. This is the end of the tutorial. You should now know how to edit your personal information in Horde.